so I say a short prayer to God, thanking Him of the mothers we have, and of course, with the mothers we lost as well. Everyone here, thank you, mothers, new and old, and those who will be expecting to be mothers in the future. Today and tomorrow is your special day. So, everyone here, please thank your moms and appreciate the fact that they have come here to bring you guys not only a life previously before in the Philippines, but also life that you are now here in Canada. So if I can ask everyone, please give our mothers, our future mothers, and those who have come before us, the mothers who have come before us, a round of applause, please.
Mother's Day doesn't come only once a year. It's every day po is Mother's Day. Naniniwala po ba kayo doon? Araw-araw po ay araw natin na kasi po araw-araw responsibilidad na ibinigay natin yata sa atin ng Diyos, hindi matatapos sa isang araw. Naniniwala po ako na ang pagiging ina ay isang napakagandang biyaya. It's a very, very beautiful gift from the Lord. At hindi lang po tayo mga nanay at mga titas na walang anak nag-alaga sa kanilang mga pamangkin. It's a beautiful gift that God gave all of us na nakapag-alaga, na nagkaroon ng anak. Dahil it's a great privilege na merong ipinakatiwala ang Panginoon sa atin. At tayo maraming po salamat sa ating lahat. This is our special day and happy Mother's Day to all. God bless us all.